polo, also known as kayak polo, is one of the competitive disciplines of kayaking. The sport is also known simply as polo by its players and supporters. Each team has 5 players on the pitch, and up to 3 substitutes, who compete to score in their opponent's goal, which is suspended 2 meters above the water. The ball can be thrown by hand or flicked with the paddle to pass between players and shoot at the goal. Pitches can be set up in swimming pools or any stretch of flat water, which should measure 35 meters by 23 meters. Kayak polo combines boating and ball handling skills with a contact team game, where tactics and positional play are as important as the speed and fitness of the individual athletes. The game requires excellent teamwork and promotes both general canoeing skills and a range of other techniques unique to the sport. The kayaks are specifically designed for polo and are faster and lighter than typical kayaks, which give them superior maneuverability. The blades of a polo paddle have thick rounded edges to prevent injury. Paddles are also very lightweight and designed with both pulling power and ball control in mind. Nose and tail boat bumpers, body protection, helmets, and face guards are all compulsory.